Hey everyone, welcome to Stalker. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'll talk about how to still get the margin. As we all know that SEBI has completely removed the margin concept, but there is still a way to use the margin for your trading. First of all, if you trade in equity, we are still getting 5x margin over there. Let me show you. So let's say you want to buy TCS in intraday. So we'll select intraday here. So as we can see, TCS is trading at 3,839 rupees. So if you want to buy it in long term, you still have to pay this margin 3,839. But if you select intraday, you just have to pay 767 rupees. So let's say you are taking 10 quantities. So instead of paying this 38,000 rupees in intraday, you only have to pay 7,600 change. So this is it. So in equity we are still getting 5x leverage. Now what if now if you trade in futures and options, in order to get the margin you will need to hedge your orders. So in Zerodha we have a feature called basket order. Let me show you. So this is my Zerodha account. In order to create a basket order you have to click here order first and then click on basket. So let's say I want to buy Bank Nifty and I also need the margin. So I'll give it some name. You can give any name you want. I'll just type as BNF buy. Okay. So now you can add whatever instruments you want. I will be adding Bank Nifty September future. So I want to buy this Bank Nifty in intraday. I am adding it. So when you add it, it will not execute the order immediately. It will execute only if you click on this execute button. So the order is not executed. I have just added it in the basket. So now as you can see, it is asking for the complete margin, which is 1,42,900 something. So now if I want to reduce this margin, I'll have to hedge this order. So I am buying Bank Nifty, right? So if you are buying, you need to add a put option, deep out of the money put option. You need to buy a deep out of the money put option first, and then you can buy this Bank Nifty. So let me show you. Bank Nifty is trading at 36,790 rupees, right? So deep OTM put would be, let's say 35,400 put. I'll select market here. So the moment I'll add it, you can see that the margin has drastically reduced. Earlier it was asking for 1,43,000 something. Now it is asking for 45,000 something. The other thing you need to keep in mind is that you need to have this option, put option in the first place. In the first number you have to have this put option, any option, if you are hedging your position. If you have it at the second place, what will happen? You still need to have this margin in your account, and so keep in mind you need to have this at the first place. So now the required margin is 45k and the final margin is also 45,000. Same way if you want to sell Bank Nifty, so let's change it to sell. So now instead of buying put option, you will be buying deep out of the money call option. So it's trading at 36,788. So I will just add 1,000 point. Let's say 37,800 call. Okay. So as you can see, the moment I added, the margin reduced drastically. Earlier it was around 1,60,000. Now it is asking only for 58,000. Again, we need to have this call option at the first place. So this will reduce the required margin and the final margin, both are same now. So this is how you can reduce the margin required for your trades. So that's all for now. If you like the video, do like and subscribe my channel. See you all in the next video. Peace out.